Welcome to the channel, guys. Today, we have an exciting and informative topic to discuss: smart money moves and financial tips and tricks for young professionals. Whether you've just started your career or are looking to enhance your financial well-being, this video is perfect for you. We'll dive deep into each tip, providing you with detailed strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. So, let's not waste any time and get started. As a young professional, it's crucial to develop good financial habits early on. These smart money moves will set you up for long-term success and help you achieve financial freedom. Tip 1. Create a budget. One of the most important financial skills you can develop is creating and sticking to a budget. It serves as a roadmap for your financial journey, allowing you to have control over your money and make informed decisions. Let's dive deeper into this topic. To start, gather all the information about your income sources. This includes your salary from your job, any freelance work you do, or any passive income you receive. Make sure to consider all sources to have an accurate representation of your total income. Next, it's time to analyze your expenses. Categorize them into different groups, such as necessities, wants, and savings. Necessities typically include rent or mortgage payments, utilities like electricity and water bills, groceries, transportation costs, and healthcare expenses. Wants encompass discretionary spending, such as eating out, entertainment, or shopping. Finally, allocate a portion of your income towards savings and investments. This will help you build a financial cushion and work towards your long-term goals. When creating your budget, consider using online tools or mobile apps to simplify the process. Popular budgeting apps like Mint or You Need a Budget, YNAB, offer features that allow you to link your accounts, track your expenses, and set financial goals. These tools provide you with a holistic view of your financial situation and help you stay organized. Remember that a budget is not a set-it-and-forget-it document. Regularly review and adjust your budget as your financial situation evolves. Life circumstances can change, and your budget should adapt accordingly. Keep track of any major life events, such as getting a raise, starting a new job, or moving to a different city. These changes might require adjustments in your income and expenses. Additionally, it's important to remain disciplined and committed to your budget. Stick to the spending limits you set for each category and avoid unnecessary impulse purchases. A budget acts as a guide to keep you accountable and prevent overspending. Tip 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected surprises, and having an emergency fund can provide you with a safety net during challenging times. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate savings account. This fund will help you cover unexpected medical expenses, job loss, or car repairs without relying on credit cards or loans. Start by setting aside a small portion of your income each month until you reach your desired emergency fund goal. Consider automating your savings by setting up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your emergency fund account. This way, you won't be tempted to spend that money. Tip 3. Pay off high-interest debt. If you have any high-interest debt, such as credit card debt or personal loans, it's essential to prioritize paying it off as soon as possible. High-interest debt can be a significant drain on your financial resources, making it harder for you to achieve your other financial goals. Consider adopting strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. The debt snowball method involves paying off your smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the others. The debt avalanche method, on the other hand, prioritizes paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Whichever method you choose, the key is to focus on one debt at a time while making the minimum payments on others. As you pay off each debt, roll that payment into the next debt until you become debt-free. Tip 4. Start investing early. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. Look into retirement accounts like a 401(k) or an individual retirement account, IRA, and take advantage of any employer match. Contributing to these accounts not only helps reduce your taxable income, but also allows your investments to grow tax-deferred or tax-free until retirement. Additionally, explore low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for long-term investment growth. These funds offer diversification and often outperform actively managed funds over the long run. Remember, the power of compounding can significantly boost your wealth over time, so don't delay starting your investment journey. Tip 5. Educate yourself. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey, and continuously expanding your knowledge in personal finance is key to making smart money moves. Let's delve deeper into the importance of financial education and some strategies to enhance your financial literacy. First and foremost, make it a habit to educate yourself about personal finance. The world of finance can be complex, but by dedicating time to learning, you can gain the knowledge and skills necessary to make informed decisions about your money. There are various resources available to help you on this journey. One valuable resource is books written by financial experts. Look for books that cover a wide range of personal finance topics, including budgeting, investing, taxes, credit management, and financial planning. Best-selling books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, or The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham can provide you with valuable insights and practical advice. In addition to books, podcasts have become a popular medium for financial education. Many podcasts are hosted by finance experts who share their knowledge and interview industry professionals. You can find podcasts covering various personal finance topics, such as The Dave Ramsey Show, Choose FI, or Afford Anything. Podcasts offer a convenient way to learn while commuting, exercising, or doing household chores. Tip 6. Set financial goals. Setting financial goals provides you with direction and motivation on your financial journey. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, starting your own business, or traveling the world, having specific goals helps you stay focused and disciplined. Break your goals into smaller milestones and create a timeline to track your progress. For example, if you want to save for a down payment on a house, determine how much you need to save and by what date. Then, break it down into monthly or weekly savings targets. Celebrate each milestone you achieve along the way, as it will keep you motivated to keep going. Remember to regularly review and adjust your goals as your circumstances change. And that's a wrap for today's video on smart money moves and financial tips and tricks for young professionals. By implementing these strategies, creating a budget, building an emergency fund, paying off high-interest debt, starting to invest early, educating yourself, and setting financial goals, you'll be well on your way to building a strong financial foundation and securing your future. Remember, financial success is a journey that requires commitment and patience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.